Alright guys, so you get the purple player right here. I took all of it out. I'm using it on a fire alarm. Orange Play-Doh, pink Play-Doh, brown Play-Doh that I showed before, and blue Play-Doh. And this is how I came in the fire alarm. Boom! Made a mounting plate for the back made out of brown. Got the, I think this is a blue strobe or something. You got the thing that goes inside the strobe, like the flash thing. And the Spectral Alert Classic. I can make it in advanced. I will make it. This is how the fire alarm looks. This is a Spectral Alert Classic right here. It's not full yet. Add that on. You get the strobe. No, stop trying to eat this. You'll get diarrhea. And then go to the back. Bada boom, pow. There you go. Spectral Alert made out of Play-Doh with a mounting bracket. And yeah, bye guys. Wait, hold on. I tricked you guys. I'm sorry. I gotta move to another table. I don't wanna, but I have to. Hold on, guys.
What? Busted and she was arrested over in Heathers. Why are you telling me that? Sharon's an old friend. Are you in trouble, really? Or are you still on clean? You know what's going on?
Alright, we got the knife. I'm not gonna bring it and cut my throat. It fell. Nelly likes to chew on stuff. No, you better not chew that! This is normal. All we have to do now is resize it a little. Trying to make it into a ball. The advanced strobe. This thing is way too big. Oh god, I put it in the wrong place. There you go. It's so big. At this side. Then put the brackets on. And this is a Spectral Alert Advanced. Bye guys!